Hello everyone. Mayam masigi vlog sidi education ga mari leina maram tawjarage. Aise hojik geology da master tawjari aduna khoi gi department gi oina ngasi rock exhibition leibako haidi nung utte ko poina collection tawraba nung singdo adugi nung exhibition da ai yawe aduna aina collection tawbada ai collection gi manung dagi rock khara nung khara thokjagani adu utpagi vlog tawjarage ngasi aina utke khaliba nung sing do silai puri puthoroi ge ai hoen lotion bada wai si pack tawsan ki dorabani sida sukara leire pack tawsan ki dorabani si pack tawsala kanda horen ada exhibition do ulam dai da thengnara si ma'am university yodore koi department yodore swaina phone pai so base deksa so bane ba swain pai bane phone ta la san de police ta complaint tawgera natraga ma tawgera bai wala ite aduna swaina number ge aya horen department yor kan da exhibition or kan thengla rase department sa consular
Yeah.
This thing is pyrite. It is also known as rose gold. And I have collected this one from Long-Term Meghalaya. This one is a pyrite mineral. Then this one calcite.
Show the sample. Show the sample. You just showed the writing. घुमा के देखो. हाँ.
Calcite. Yeah. And then this one is pyrite. Garnet is collected from Meghalaya. These are coals. I don't exactly know the grade of the coals, but I think this one would be bituminous or something like that. And till here, it was collected from Meghalaya. And then this one is metal granite from Udaipur. This one chloride mica cyst from Udaipur. Synthetic marble from Udaipur. And then relic for zinc smelting. And then sandstone from this quartzites. And starting from here till there, it was collected from Udaipur. And then what else? Everyone. I would like to introduce my partner for the exhibition. Her name is Tanusri. Yes, second year. This much.
Hello, Deep. I'm making a YouTube video.
You are making vlog?
Yeah. Can you please explain one of the sample? No. Like before that, can you please tell the name of the team?
Name of the team?
Yeah.
Team. Oh, Team Celsius. You guys know that Celsius is an uncommon benchmark, very well.
Can you please explain one of the sample?
One of
Yeah.
which one you tell?
I think
Your favorite one, which one?
this one looks little interesting.
Okay. So you can see this is slate.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see how these are metamorphic rocks. So you can see the foliation planes.
Yeah.
These foliation planes are very fine grained. Okay. And it maybe consists of mica. And there is so much hematite. Because of this slate gets the color of purplish.
Yes.
Okay. So as we know that the primitive rock is shale. So shale has 5% iron.
Yes.
But it may be happen that during metamorphosis, the hematite concentration increases, for which this slate gets the color of purplish. So this is the purple slate. I collected it from Shiwaliks, the Tapovan region, near Rishikesh.
Okay.
So,
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you so much. All the best. We have another group here. Hello.
What about the last?
What is the name of your team?
Team Ruby.
Okay. Can you please explain one of the sample?
Was it naturally occurring there, or you bought it from somewhere or not bought it?
Pegmatite,
Ah.
a type of igneous rock formed by developing veins.
Exact formation.
And
It is from Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
Okay.
So how
Nice.
is the
Thank you. And how many samples are there in total?
Close to 30 I guess.
30.
And if you want to know more about our samples, you can just scan it.
Okay. Thank you. This is another team.
And black is brown. Brown.
Can you please explain one of the sample?
This is pumice rock. This is mainly volcanic rock.
Okay.
This forms when the gas captured in the magma erupts and the magma quickly freezes. Then this cavity-like structure forms.
Okay. Thank you. Hello. Okay. What is the name of the team? What is the name of the team?
It is Team Geology.
Okay. Okay. And we have got our brother Adarsh in the team. Okay. Can you please explain one of the sample?
One of the samples.
Yeah.
Which one do you like? You can read the names and whatever you choose will be.
I want this one.
This one.
Yeah.
This is qualifying. Okay. It's made from basalt hydrothermal alteration, and this is the acicular habitat you can see over here, right?
Yeah.
In silvanite also we see the acicular habitat.
Yeah.
It's the same. We have picked up it from dumping ground.
Very honest.
Okay. Sorry. Recording videos for other groups also. This is Tushar and his team. These are the samples that they have got. Oh, nice sample. What is this?
Explanation करना है ये तो कहाँ से क्यों मुझे underestimate करता है
Can you
Can you tell something?
Can you tell something about
all I
it?
can say
जियोट कहाँ से मिला था?
हाँ
जियोट कहाँ
हाँ.
से?
आमची महाराष्ट्र नाशिक
वो तो मैं
Can you please explain one of the
कहीं से
sample?
तूने खरीदा है?
Any one of the samples?
Any one of the sample?
जो अपना जलगांव
Yeah.
वगैरह डिस्ट्रिक्ट है
Explain करना है. Explain करिए.
वहाँ पे एक्सपोर्ट होता है
Hindi में करके जी.
अरे
You can. Any one of you can do.
एक्सप्लेन रहता है एक मोमेंट है बेटर टू एक्सप्लेन
Huh?
This is nice.
explain this here. For reading samples.
Nice.
वेरी नाइस
Nice, and it is very nice.
आवर सैंपल्स आर नाइस
Okay.
नॉट जीएनआई
Nice.
What is the name of the team? What is the name of the team?
The name of the team.
Yes.
It's called Magnolia.
Magnolia. And can you please explain one of the sample? Like,
Sample.
yeah. Okay. Okay. Proterozoic.
This was collected from Rajasthan.
Okay.
This was from Madhya Pradesh. This from Rewa. Again Madhya Pradesh, and this was from Maharashtra.
Okay.
And so they usually exist as working deposits.
Yeah.
When it comes to shale, it more or less appears like landline formation, but in reality it's not. Okay.
Yes.
And this is the exfoliation planes and mica schist, biotite and muscovite can easily be observed. The ones with the color are shiny, biotite and muscovite.
Yeah.
And solutions can be seen in the rock. That's it.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. My gang. Okay. How do you feel coming here and seeing my samples?
We are very proud to support Donald in his mission to become the PM.
Thank you. Thank you so much for. Mayam loire. Ay halay lambida. Sak salam lang sai lagi. Sumaya lambida pai ke sab se. Noi je ba ekta pon jala ki doi ning. Jadi ngasi ke exhibition dum mai pak re. Prize pang phang de ba khang ge dum represent to de ne ba matau ta ri se. Ai junior amaga punna represent to mina kre. Matang video le thing na se me.